First thing you must do with a new laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In settings, click on update and security, which is the last option on bottom left corner of your screen. Click on update and security and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Windows Update and restart if required. If not, simply go to Windows Security, which is the third option. Click on Windows Security, which is below Delivery Optimization and above Files Backup. In here, go to Virus and Threat Protection. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Quick Scan. It will scan to current threads. If you have any threads, simply delete the threads. After that, you're good to go. These are the first thing you must do with a new laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.